MyLoot is a cashback platform dedicated to rewarding shoppers for everyday purchases. From groceries to travel, fashion, and electronics, MyLoot offers rewards for the products you're already buying, making saving easier than ever. So MyLoot is a newer platform. It was founded in 2024. It's a fresh face in the world of cashback and rewards. Their platform bridges the gap between shoppers and savings by offering cashback for both online and in-store purchases. Their mission is simple: to turn everyday spending into an opportunity to earn rewards, helping you make the most of each purchase. With every transaction, you earn cash back, allowing you to reclaim some of the money you spend. What's unique about MyLoot is its versatility. You can shop for a wide range of products, from groceries and household items to electronics and even travel bookings. On their website, you can sign up and find the stores they are partnered with and the kind of offerings that are available. And you can see that they offer a wide range of percentages of cash back determined by the store that you purchase at. For instance, if you purchase from Crocs, you can get 6.3% cash back. If you purchase from Forever 21, you can also get 6.3% cash back. If you purchase from Sam's Club, you can get 9.45% cash back. There are a total of 64 brands that they're currently partnered with, and to access the money that you accrue, you can either attach your PayPal or Venmo accounts or choose from their several gift card options. They also have special offers where you can earn a substantial amount of cash back. For instance, if you purchase from Vita Cup, you can earn $16 cash back just by making a purchase. There is actually a hold period on these special offers, and the offer conversions will appear as pending for 7 days. They also have their MyLoot Plus program. They have a 7-day trial offer that's 99 cents, and then it's $14 a month once your trial has ended. And the benefits with MyLoot Plus are 25% more cash back on all retailers, 25% more cash back on gift card redemptions, no redemption fees, and no hold period for special offers. They also offer a pretty great referral program. You can earn $25 for every referral you make, although those referrals do need to spend $50 for you to qualify for the referral bonus. So as the holiday season is approaching, I think we're all about to spend a lot of money. Earning these cashback rewards on purchases that you're already going to make is a no-brainer. Again, you can use the free version, which will earn you points and cash back. You could also choose MyLoot Plus, which will earn you additional benefits. And they do offer that 7-day trial period for 99 cents. So you can make all of your holiday purchases during that 7-day period and see what it's like. And if you are interested in MyLoot, our referral link will be in the description. If you've yet to download the Solo app, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on Lyft adding a key piece of information to their upfront fare screen, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.